Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Honor Magic 4 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's launch the keyboard. In here at the top part of it you'll find this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. In here you want to head straight for the manage option. At the clipboard settings page, make sure that this remember copied items toggle is turned on, which will essentially mean that the clipboard will be activated and will add the new elements to itself. Now if you would like to add anything to the clipboard, obviously you just gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to add the word card to it, I'll select it, copy, and once I open up the clipboard, I'll see that this word has been successfully added to it. If you would like to remove some of the elements, simply swipe it to the left, just like so, and it will be deleted. There is also this option to pin an item. By pinning any element of the clipboard, you are making sure that it will not expire within an hour after you have added the element to clipboard. So I guess that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.